Okay, so here we are driving to our second location. I'm driving from the direction north, so this would be the highway A1, which is going from Austria, Slovenia, Germany, France, Italy, and so on. People will be driving from those countries will be driving on this highway, which is merging onto the next highway, which would be, of course, tourists coming from possibly Czech, Slovakia, Hungary, and so on. So soon, we just drove by the sign that said Split Rijeka, which is the A1 going towards the seaside. So now we're actually on the right side. You'll see the sign. We're merging on to where these 2 points meet. So it's a very, very dense location. Crossroad here, which, by the way, is located about 9 kilometers from the city center. So it's actually accessible to people from Zagreb in Croatia, and as well for all the tourists in the summer. This highway here, this part here, I'll show you in a second. We turn around this merging point. So it says here Split Rijeka, which is of course located on the seaside. A little bit of construction going on here now before the season starts. Construction is forbidden during the season peak, so that's good news. So this is the merging point. The bridge above us is the highway that's coming from Hungary. So there's a lot of traffic here. Waiting time is approximately 2 hours to get to the checkpoint here, to the toll booth. So then the season starts. The huge peak is July 1st to September 1st, but of course it starts already in May. So as you can see, quite a few cars. Now we're merging onto the point where I mentioned. And as you can see, we have the toll booth coming up in front of us, approximately roughly 300 meters from us. And of course, this is now 1, 2, 3, 4 lanes of 2 highways where they merge into one. And of course, this is the first toll booth going towards the seaside. This highway, by the way, has approximately 8,500 cars driving by in a year. Mind you, more than 50% of this figure is during the peak season time. They say something like 52%. So even in the wintertime, there's a steady base of transactions. On this highway, about 17 kilometers from here, there's BK, but in the opposite direction. So now we're merging on, passing these toll booths. Just get a ticket. So like I said, the waiting time here could vary from anywhere between half an hour if you're lucky to 2 hours. There's really a traffic jam here. So people, the good news is people can't wait to get out of the car before they start the journey to Split, which is 400 kilometers away. And what they want to do is stop at the first gas station because of the kids. Stop at the first gas station because of the kids, go pee, poo, whatever they have to do, get some snacks. And here is our CRODUX, which is immediately, as you can see, 200 meters away from the toll booth. So there's our huge lineups here. This place is packed. There's a nice terrace outside. You can see the entrance here, so you can't miss it. There's one access point, which is here, as you can see. And this is, of course, our CRODUX former OMV gas station. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So a possibility of 10 cars filling up. Behind there's also a truck stop, so there's a possibility for trucks to fill up on gas and so on. So we'll drive around this part for now. As I said, one access point, and you can see the back part here where of course trucks can fill up. So it's quite a big gas station. I'll make like a little bit of a drive around, even though I shouldn't, but just so you get a better picture. So I'm on the most southern part of the station now. Drive around. There's a parking, as you can see here, for trucks, for cars. There's a station here for the nice big bathroom. See if we can go back in the wrong direction. Hopefully no cars are coming. Okay, so our KFC location would be exactly here, straight ahead, as you can see. The pylon, of course, can be used as well by us, so it can be shared with CRODUX, so we'll be saving here on some costs as well. And of course there's a nice terrace outside here, which of course would be our terrace. Just back up a little bit so you get a better picture. So this is what you would see entering this gas station. You would see, of course, here the flags on the left side and the terrace on the right, where the KFC would be as well. And of course, driving past this, there are the bathrooms, additional parking spots, and of course, the exit to the highway. So as you can see, that's it. Driving straight along, so about, like I said, about 17 kilometers, so about 25 kilometers from here, you can see there's a BK on the left side, which is going from the seacoast towards the city. And this location we went to now is going from the city towards the seacoast. So that's pretty much it for now.